Hi, it's Deb, and I'm here with your Travel Tip Thursday. Today, I want to talk to you about free walking tours. This applies to everybody, but I find it to be particularly helpful for solo travelers. I just returned from my recent trip, and I spent the first couple of days of it by myself in Amsterdam. So I did a free walking tour the first day, and not only does it save some money over private or small group tours, but it's a great way to meet other travelers. So I met another solo female traveler and we hit it off. She was there for a couple of days also. She happened to also be American. And we made plans to have dinner the next night. Then the next day I did a tour that was actually a paid tour. She was on it also. We didn't know we were both going to be there. And we met two other travelers who were a lot of fun on the tour that we were on, and we invited them to join us for dinner. We were going to an Indonesian rice table dinner, and we thought that it would be more fun with more people. So they joined us, and we had a great time. It meant not having to go to dinner by myself, meeting some new friends, and getting to see the city. So the top companies that I recommend for free walking tours are Guru Walks, Strawberry Tours, and Sandeman. They, of course, are hit or miss because you do read the reviews, and sometimes you might not get someone who is as interesting as you would like, and you don't get to really choose what you're seeing on these tours. They're tip-based, so they're not totally free. Of course, you're not required to give a tip, but a lot of these people are making a living that way. So they do usually try to do a very good job. And for the most part, the free tours that I have done have been really great, and they range from an hour and a half to 2 hours. Every now and then you'll find one that is 3 hours, but I love doing them when I first arrive in a new city just to get a lay of the land, learn from a local. They usually have a list of recommended restaurants that they share with you. And like I said, it's a great way to meet other travelers, whether they're solo or not. And of course, if you're not solo traveling, it still is a great option for you to get to know a city. So that's your Travel Tip Thursday. Let me know if you have any travel tips you'd like to share or anything that you would like more information on. Have a great day.